And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's kick off with football, shall we? Portmore United are still the Red Stripe Premier League champions following their 1-0 victory over Waterhouse in Monday's final at the National Stadium. However, their victory was overshadowed by a bottle-throwing incident, resulting in a 20-minute hold-up in play.
The fans were out in their numbers as the curtains came down on the Red Stripe Premier League season, which pitted title holders Portmore United against Waterhouse. 3 previous meetings this season produced no winners, so the question was, who would take the final rights? After 45 minutes, there was no clear answer as to who would lift the crown, as the two went to the dressing room still deadlocked. Anticipation heightened for the second half, as most fans were still anticipating a winner after 90-plus minutes. And there was relief for those supporting Portmore United, as 11 minutes after the resumption, Ricardo Morris broke the hearts of the Waterhouse fans. Bang, and the title holders, who had been enjoying the better of possession, were up and running, while Waterhouse were still snoozing. A section of the stands was growing restless as the clock ticked away, and when a throw-in that was first given to Waterhouse but later overturned and went to Portmore United, that's when the bottles rained down. The match was held up for 17 minutes, as security officers tried to get things under control, which they eventually did. But the trouble wasn't over, as Waterhouse's Ravik Thomas and Portmore United's Damian Williams seemingly became contenders for a recently cancelled local boxing series. Although there were no knockouts after both players finished trading punches, referee Odette Hamilton ended their night. The game then petered out as Portmore United kept the crown, while Waterhouse again were the bridesmaids.
These guys are professional. They know what to do. For the most part, on the field, I don't have to make any decisions. They have senior guys in there who will lead and have led tremendously throughout the season. So it was easy. We already had put out the game plan from start, and they know what to do, and they did just go out there and execute.
And to score the winning goal meant everything to Ricardo Morris.
I don't make up my mind, say I'm going to kick that, because that is a thing I've been practicing training all day. I even score one in a practice match in a week, so I keep on practicing so it come easy.
It was 3 times to the final for Waterhouse and 3 times the runner-up.
Probably next night it will be different. But I never too much to learn, because I think we organized right through the game. But when you get the goal down, we were trying other things, trying to get and try to break Portmore back line. But the interruption of the game, I mean, it took a toll on us. I mean, mentally, we'd have wanted to put some more, but you know, it wasn't for us today.
With the victory, Portmore United have picked up their 7th Premier League title, the most by any team in the history of the league. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.